Long before science tried to unlock the mystery of origin of life, Indian scriptures recognized the primacy potent of the 5 life-sustaining elements of nature. One such element is water, the elixir of life. It holds the sustaining power of human existence and life around us. When heavens open up and touches Mother Earth with rain, nature unravels its full glory. But when the rain gods are silent, it becomes a question of survival, threatening the very existence of life. Planet Earth has a finite supply of fresh water. The march of civilization has taken a heavy toll on known sources of fresh water. Urbanization and an ever-increasing carbon footprint have been putting enormous pressure on this natural resource. The way ahead then is to develop a sustainable system of managing freshwater resources. The onus rests on all of us, more so on organized bodies and corporates who have to lead by example. ONGC's initiative of rainwater harvesting at Vadodara is one such example of showing commitment towards a sustainable future, a humble signature of its social responsibility towards nature and her life-sustaining power. Let's ruffle through the past and heritage of Vadodara. Sir Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III left behind a strategic legacy of storage and recharge facilities by large lakes, ponds and step wells for his citizens. Rainwater harvesting was common in those times. ONGC has scripted a new chapter in the growth story of modern Vadodara. Current ONGC colony, as a green oasis, is spread over 1 square kilometer. In the monsoon, there is the problem of water overflow, and in summers, there is acute shortage of water. Of the 44 bore wells in the colony installed for water supply, 30 have gone dry. Water level from the remaining bore wells is fast depleting, and this water has very high TDS levels. The basin management took the initiative of implementing rainwater harvesting with an objective to address the depleting water problems. A pilot project was undertaken to analyze the potential of such an idea. Rainwater from the stormwater drain is fed to the plant and gets filtered by heavy gravel in the first compartment. This water then moves to the second compartment by gravity through a sand bed. Finally, clean water flows in the borewell and charges the groundwater table. The effort brought in resounding success. There was an appreciable increase in the underground water table. The dry borewell was charged in 1 season in the first year itself. This borewell is currently producing water which is used to maintain the front garden. Soon, 6 more plants were installed at carefully selected locations. All sites were close to a borewell and a storm water drain. This required very little civil work of channelizing the water to the plant and to the borewell. Rooftop water from multi-story buildings was also fed to the plant. The filtered water is directly fed to the 4.5 lakh litre capacity sump on the ground. The entire project cost was just about 18 lakh rupees. Vadodara annually receives 750 mm of rain. ONGC Township annually needs 1,31,400 cubic meter of water. Total rainwater received in ONGC colony is 3,75,000 cubic meters. Which means, even if a part of rainwater is collected, the annual requirement of the ONGC complex would be fully met without disturbing the existing underground water table. With the installation of rainwater harvesting facilities at various locations inside the ONGC complex, the dependency on the municipal corporation has been greatly reduced. There is a significant rise in the water table. Dry borewells are now getting charged up and are coming back to life. The quality of water has also improved with the supply of filtered sweet water. The establishment of a strategic network of rainwater harvesting facilities has given a new credit line to the western onshore basin. The composite initiative has turned out to be the first of its kind among the ONGC projects to bring the sustainable management concept to a reality. It could be a small step compared to larger corporate initiatives, but a sure and strong stride to protect and preserve the life-sustaining resource of nature, water.